This is a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 high roof cargo van in Oxford White, currently available at Lounsbury Chevrolet Moncton for $36,995. Financing is available through all major financial institutions. Let us secure your best rate possible, no matter the credit situation. This van has a 3.7-liter V6 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission, 16-inch silver steel wheels, single sliding door on the right-hand side, dual rear doors with an opening height of just over 74 inches, and a built-in rear bumper step to help you hop in and out of the cargo box quickly. Interior features include remote keyless entry, power windows with driver one-touch down, fully adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning, AM/FM radio with aux port, multiple 12-volt power outlets, and high-mount rear-view camera for added assurance while reversing. The pewter cloth interior has dual bucket seats up front, and in the cargo area there is a flat load floor and near vertical sides to create maximum usable space, with the interior height reaching a maximum of 81.5 inches. It has been professionally detailed and undergone a thorough inspection performed by our in-house certified technicians. To confirm availability or schedule an appointment to see this vehicle, please quote number 2009A and call 1-888-492-2991 or visit us today at lounsburymoncton.com.